Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to randomize a list in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this list here, and if I want to randomize this list here, what I will do here that I will choose another column here like this one, and I will enter this formula here equal to, and then I will enter rand, and then I will just put the brackets here, and when I will press enter, it will basically generates a random number for us. Okay, let me just reduce the decimal points, maybe this one. Okay, and now you will basically drag and drop this formula till the last element of this list here. So now here you can see that it has basically generates the random list here for us. Now we have to sort this list according to these random numbers here. So how we can do this? We will select both of these lists here, and we will go into this data tab here, and we will click on sort, and in the sort by option select this column B. Okay, so you have to select your column name here. So in my case, I want to sort this list by this list. So in sort by, I will actually input this list. So I will select column B here, and when I will press OK, you can see that this list will be randomized. So now here you can see that this list is now a random list. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.